I lost nearly $70,000 on my manufactured home purchase because I didn't know about trap number 3. The bank had me convinced I was getting a steal, but what they didn't tell me cost me everything. Stories like this are alarmingly common in the manufactured housing market, where unsuspecting buyers fall into carefully laid traps by industry insiders. If you're watching this right now, you're probably considering a manufactured home purchase, and you absolutely need this information before signing anything. Hit that subscribe button to support more videos exposing industry secrets. Leave a comment below with your biggest concern about buying a manufactured home. The manufactured housing industry generates billions in revenue annually, but here's the shocking truth. Much of that profit comes directly from uninformed buyers making costly mistakes. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on the 5 most expensive traps that dealers, banks, and even some real estate agents don't want you to know about. Did you know that over 22 million Americans live in manufactured homes? They represent the largest source of unsubsidized affordable housing in the United States. Yet despite their popularity, manufactured home buyers continue to face predatory practices designed to extract maximum profit from their purchase. Let's tackle the first major trap: confusing manufactured homes with mobile homes. While many use these terms interchangeably, they represent completely different housing categories with vastly different financial implications. This seemingly small distinction can cost you tens of thousands in depreciation and financing opportunities. Mobile homes refer to structures built before June 15, 1976, when the HUD Code established federal standards for these dwellings. Manufactured homes are built after this date to much higher quality standards. When negotiating, if a seller or agent uses incorrect terminology, it may signal they don't understand the product they're selling, or worse, they're deliberately misleading you. The financing implications are massive. True manufactured homes qualify for certain mortgage products that mobile homes don't. Make this mistake, and you could end up with a personal property loan instead of a real estate loan, resulting in interest rates as much as 5% higher. On a $100,000 home, that's an extra $100,000 in interest over the loan term. The second costly trap awaits in the land-home package deal. Many dealers push these combinations aggressively, promising convenience and simplicity. What they don't advertise is how these packages often include massive markups on both the land and the home, sometimes exceeding 30% above market value. When you accept a land-home package without comparing separate options, you're essentially handing over thousands in unnecessary profit to the dealer. One buyer in Tennessee reported paying $45,000 more than necessary because they didn't realize they could purchase the land directly and negotiate the home separately. Always get the land appraised independently and research comparable properties before agreeing to any package deal. Sometimes the convenience factor is worth a small premium, but $45,000 worth? I doubt it. Your best move is to work with a real estate agent experienced in land purchases to find and secure your property first. The third trap is where most buyers lose the most money: dealer financing. This is the financial equivalent of walking into a lion's den, covered in barbecue sauce. Manufactured home dealers make an average of 40% of their profit not from selling homes, but from arranging financing for buyers who don't know better. When you accept dealer financing without shopping around, you're likely signing up for interest rates up to 7% higher than necessary. On a $150,000 loan, this can translate to over $100,000 in unnecessary interest payments over a 30-year term. It's essentially like buying 2 homes but only getting one. What dealers don't tell you is that there are numerous specialized loan programs specifically for manufactured homes. FHA, VA, USDA, and Fannie Mae all offer manufactured home loan products with competitive interest rates. Credit unions also frequently offer excellent terms for manufactured housing that destroy dealer financing offers. The fourth trap lurks in the customization and upgrade options presented during the sales process. This is where emotional decision-making can devastate your budget. Manufactured home dealers have mastered the art of upselling, offering attractive customizations at massively inflated prices. That upgraded kitchen package with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops? The $15,000 price tag represents a 200 to 300% markup over retail prices. The deluxe bathroom with jetted tub? Likely marked up 250%. These customizations rarely return their value and often cost significantly less if added after purchase. Smart buyers focus on structural quality first, then add cosmetic upgrades later. Purchase the highest quality structural components you can afford, such as upgraded insulation, better windows, and superior roof systems. These improvements affect the home's durability and energy efficiency, providing actual return on investment unlike most cosmetic upgrades. The fifth trap might be the most devastating because it affects your home's long-term value: improper setup and installation. Studies show that up to 80% of manufactured home problems stem not from manufacturing defects but from improper installation. Yet many buyers never verify their home's setup quality or credentials of the installation team. A manufactured home improperly installed can suffer from structural damage, plumbing issues, uneven settling, and even catastrophic failure during weather events. These problems often don't manifest until months or years later, when warranty coverage has expired. By then, repair costs can exceed tens of thousands of dollars. The industry has a dirty secret: many dealers subcontract installation to the lowest bidder, using teams with minimal training and experience. These crews often rush through critical steps like foundation preparation, anchoring systems, and water barrier installation to maximize their daily home count. Always demand to know who's installing your home and verify their credentials and reputation independently. Request a detailed installation plan and compare it to the manufacturer's specifications. Consider hiring an independent inspector who specializes in manufactured housing to oversee the installation process and document everything. Now let's explore how land ownership dramatically affects your manufactured home investment. When your home sits on land you own, attached to a permanent foundation with utilities, it's legally classified as real property in most states. This classification makes it eligible for traditional mortgage financing with lower interest rates and longer terms. Conversely, if your manufactured home sits on leased land in a community, it's typically classified as personal property, similar to a vehicle. This classification limits financing options to higher interest personal property loans with shorter terms. The difference can amount to hundreds of dollars in higher monthly payments. Beyond financing implications, land ownership provides security against one of the manufactured housing industry's growing problems: community closures and increases in space rent. Across the country, investors are purchasing manufactured home communities and dramatically increasing space rents, sometimes doubling them within a year. When you own the land beneath your home, you're protected from these predatory practices. You also gain the ability to build equity through land appreciation, which often outpaces the home's value. Combined with proper maintenance, land ownership transforms a manufactured home from a depreciating asset into a wealth-building investment. Speaking of maintenance, let's address another critical aspect of manufactured home ownership that dealers rarely discuss: the importance of proper maintenance and its impact on long-term value. Unlike site-built homes, manufactured homes require specific maintenance procedures to maintain structural integrity and prevent rapid depreciation. Roof systems on manufactured homes typically need more frequent inspection and maintenance than their site-built counterparts. Water intrusion represents the single biggest threat to your home's structure and value. Implementing a consistent inspection schedule for roof seams, window caulking, and plumbing connections can prevent catastrophic damage. The home's belly wrap and moisture barrier require annual inspection to ensure integrity. Damage to these components can allow moisture infiltration that leads to floor system failure, mold growth, and insulation damage. These repairs often cost thousands but can be prevented with simple maintenance costing under $200 annually. HVAC systems in manufactured homes also require specialized knowledge and maintenance. The ductwork configuration differs from site-built homes, and improper service can reduce efficiency by up to 30%. This inefficiency translates to hundreds in unnecessary utility costs annually while shortening the system's lifespan. Transportation damage represents another hidden concern rarely disclosed during the sales process. Even the most carefully transported manufactured home experiences stress during delivery. This stress can create subtle structural issues that worsen over time if not addressed during installation and the first year of ownership. Common transportation-related issues include loosened fasteners, slight separation at marriage lines in multi-section homes, and minor structural shifting. A comprehensive inspection by a qualified manufactured housing inspector can identify these issues before they evolve into major problems, saving thousands in future repairs. Now let's talk about appreciation potential, one of the most misunderstood aspects of manufactured housing. The traditional wisdom that manufactured homes always depreciate is outdated and inaccurate. Recent studies show that properly installed manufactured homes on owned land with adequate maintenance can appreciate similarly to comparable site-built homes in the same market. The key factors determining appreciation include location quality, land ownership, foundation type, maintenance level, and initial build quality. High-quality manufactured homes with energy-efficient features installed on permanent foundations in desirable locations have demonstrated appreciation rates of 3 to 5% annually in normal market conditions. The manufactured housing industry is evolving rapidly, with new construction techniques and materials improving quality and durability. Modern manufactured homes built to Energy Star standards can reduce utility costs by up to 30% compared to older models. This efficiency translates to substantial savings over the home's lifespan. When considering a manufactured home purchase, always research the manufacturer's reputation and track record. The quality difference between manufacturers is substantial, with some focusing on lowest possible price points while others emphasize quality construction and customer satisfaction. This difference becomes apparent in the home's performance over time. Look for manufacturers with low complaint rates, strong warranty support, and positive customer reviews spanning several years. The Manufactured Housing Institute and Better Business Bureau maintain records of consumer complaints and resolution rates. This research takes time but provides critical insights into your potential home's quality and the manufacturer's integrity. The HUD code that governs manufactured housing underwent significant updates in 1994 and again in 1999, substantially improving quality standards. Homes built after these updates demonstrate dramatically better performance, durability, and energy efficiency than older models. When shopping, prioritize newer homes that meet these enhanced standards. Manufactured homes built to modern standards and properly maintained can provide safe, comfortable housing for more than 50 years. This longevity contradicts the common misconception that manufactured homes are temporary or inferior housing solutions. With proper care, these homes represent durable, high-quality housing options with significant cost advantages.